Welcome to RJ Reviews. On today, we'll be unboxing and previewing the much anticipated HomePod Mini. Stay tuned. This is the much anticipated HomePod Mini because we ordered it a week before Christmas and it just came in today, approximately a week after Christmas. So the product came in this nice heavy boxing. Looked like it was designed especially for the HomePod Mini. Okay. And just as Apple always does, they have this nice tight wrapping around the product. So to begin cutting, we'll just cut along there. We'll pull the wrapping. All right, here we are. Let's see if we can just let this slide on up. And I think it does. So we'll set the box to the side there. Okay, so we have the actual HomePod Mini. Inside the box here, we have cardboard. And then we have instructions. One block and empty box. So this is a C-type cable. So we'll go ahead and move it out. Okay. And here we are. That comes off. Have the little Apple symbol there. We'll get everything all plugged in, do a couple tests, and we'll return and provide more details. Okay, now we're going to begin the setup of the HomePod Mini. We've just plugged it up, and very soon you should hear the sound. There it is. And we want to click Setup. We'll be in the bedroom. Click Continue. And HomePod Mini with music. Okay, we don't want to subscribe right now. HomePod can recognize your voice. Yes. To use personal requests. Yes. Siri for everyone. Sure. And terms and conditions, we agree to that as well. Now we have transfer settings. Okay. Now, for this part, it's asking us to center the HomePod in the frame. So within this frame here, so we raise the device. And it's beginning the setup process.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Now playing Apple Music One.
Hey Siri, stop the music. There you go. Thank you for visiting RJ Reviews for our unboxing of the HomePod Mini. If you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.